Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. Did you realize there's something new? Dun, 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 dun. You see, I got a microphone only for you guys. So if you are not a cruel person, please at least give me a like or subscribe to my channel, right? And in this video, I will take you guys to the most amazing Chinese supermarket in London. In Chinese, we call it Tian Tian Supermakrt. That is Tian Tian Chinese Supermarket. And when we go to the Chinese supermarket, I will recommend you what Chinese food to buy and also teach you what it is called in Mandarin Chinese. All the Chinese words we will mention in this video, I will put it in the video description part. You can check it later. So now, let's go! Here we are. And before we go inside, let me give you a little introduction for this supermarket, Tian Tian Supermakrt. They have two shops in London, one in Canary Wharf, one in Aldgate East. And today we will check out the Canary Wharf one. Let's see. Oh, the first area is sauce area, 调料区. 调料 means sauce, 区 means area, so sauce area. Let's start it. So, you know, this sauce, they are not Chinese sauce, they are Japanese sauce, so we do not use it to cook Chinese food. Yeah, you see here, this is the Chinese sauce we're gonna use for daily life. So actually, the main sauce we will use in daily life is soy sauce. Soy sauce, we call it 酱油, 酱油. And you can see there are lots of soy sauce, but the common one we will use is from the brand Lee Kimchi. So you see there are two types of sauce. One is the color red one, another one is a little bit dark for the brown one, right? For the color red one is for cooking vegetables, for the brown one is for cooking meat. So that depends on what are you cooking for. If you are expert, you may also use this one, oyster sauce. This one, you can put it into the meat and veggies, but the thing is this one is really salty. So if you use this one to cook, do not need to put any extra salt. If you want to level up your Chinese food cooking skills, you can try this one. This one is sesame oil. So no matter what you're cooking, when the food is nearly ready, you just put this one in. Oh my god, will be smell so nice, also taste so nice. Let's see, is there any other sauce I can recommend to you? Oh, this one. Oh, I love it. This one is for the soup. I don't know how could you guys call it, but we call it soup powder. Yeah, you see this one, the soup powder. You just mix it with the hot water. You can put veggies or eggs inside, and then when it's ready, just eat it. Super, super tasty. Let us keep walking. Let's see here. Oh, wow, that is the key point for today. Golden time today. You see, this one is chili sauce. This chili sauce, you can see the red one. This is our national sauce. Every Chinese got it on their table. We just literally eat it with everything, with rice, with dumpling, with noodles, or even we will spray it on the bread. Super, super nice. The most amazing chili sauce in China. We call it 老干妈. 老干妈 literally means old grandma. So you just buy it. And it's easy to get in every Chinese supermarket in London. Easy to buy. Try it. Okay, let's walk in. Oh, this one. I don't know why you guys like it. In China, some people like it, some people hate it. We call it 豆腐乳. 豆腐乳 is like the British sauce, Marmite, right? People hate it or love it. Now, pay attention, guys. Let us move to the most important area in this supermarket, which is instant noodle area, 方便面区. 方便面 means instant noodle, 区 means area, and also here 方便 has another meaning, means convenient, kind of convenient noodle, instant noodle. Let us check out. You see here again, this is Korean noodle, is not for Chinese instant noodle. Let us move to our Chinese instant noodle. Here we go, that's it. This is the noodle for Chinese noodle. Let me recommend you some Chinese instant noodles that we eat it every day. This beef instant noodle from Unify, we literally eat it every day when I was young, I can remember. And also you see this one is the spicy one, also super tasty, but super spicy. I love it, try it. Basically, those are common one, we will eat it in our daily life. Now let me recommend you some Korean one. This one super tasty, Korean one, but super spicy. And this one is from Singapore, is also super nice, but a little bit expensive though. This one, if you want to pretend you know Chinese well or you know our culture well, you have to try this one and remember the name. This one is 螺蛳粉. 螺蛳粉 is another kind of instant noodle, but that is not real noodle. That is a glass noodle. And this one, why is special? Because now it's kind of trend or fashion in China. Everyone eat it. And this one, again, is super controversial. People love it or hate it because inside have kind of special veggies. It smells, some people will think it's really smelly, but you may like it. So just give a try though. Actually, there is one thing I want to recommend you guys is for the Korean rice. It's for the rice, you just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and then you can have it. Super tasty. But in my opinion, that is quite expensive, especially the people like me, I can eat a lot. Since I'm a little bit fat, so I can eat 2 or 3 in the meantime, so this one expensive for me. Okay, let's see here, what is it? Oh, this one, let us get in closer. You see this one is look like fish, right? This one is the fish in the can. It's super tasty, but again, a little bit expensive. In China, it will be quite cheap. Okay, you see this one is kind of, we call it lunch meat. You guys call it spam, right? You guys call it spam, I believe. And where we are now, we are in the hot pot area. Hot pot, we call it 火锅.